Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
India's defense forces rely on a powerful machine that's designed to dominate the battlefield, the Arjun main battle tank. A symbol of India's indigenous defense capabilities, this battle tank has become a vital asset to the Indian Army. Hello and welcome to today's episode. We are diving deep into the story of India's Arjun tank, a main battle tank developed by India's Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO. From its origins to its advanced technology, we'll cover everything you need to know about this formidable machine. The journey of the Arjun tank began in the 1970s. India needed a modern, robust battle tank to meet its specific combat conditions: hot deserts, rugged mountains, and vast plains. Over the decades, the DRDO engineered and perfected the Arjun to meet these challenges. Officially inducted into the Indian Army in 2004, the Arjun tank is a third-generation main battle tank. Designed primarily for desert warfare, it's equipped with state-of-the-art systems to rival global competitors. The Arjun's primary weapon is a 120mm rifled gun, capable of firing a range of ammunitions, including high-explosive and armor-piercing shells. It's highly accurate, making it lethal against enemy tanks, fortifications, and armored vehicles. But it's not just about firepower. The Arjun is built for speed and agility, featuring a German-made MTU 838 K501 diesel engine with 1,400 horsepower. This engine gives the Arjun the ability to reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour on roads and 40 km per hour off-road, making it a versatile tank on any battlefield. Now let's talk about protection. The Arjun is equipped with Kanchan composite armor, an indigenous armor system that provides outstanding defense against various forms of attack, including explosive reactive armor, ERA, for added protection against anti-tank missiles. The Arjun also boasts an advanced fire control system, allowing it to detect, track, and destroy targets with precision, even when on the move. It's equipped with a computerized control system and thermal imaging, ensuring accurate targeting day and night. The Arjun Mk1, an upgraded version of the original tank, has recently entered service. It features over 70 enhancements, including improved mobility, better protection, and advanced weapon systems. This version of the Arjun truly shows India's commitment to upgrading its defense capabilities. The Arjun Mk1 comes with improved gun accuracy, better firing stability, and superior crew comfort. These enhancements make it an even more reliable and effective machine in modern warfare. Beyond its impressive specifications, the Arjun tank represents India's move towards self-reliance in defense production. It's a symbol of the Make in India initiative, where indigenous technology and innovation are paving the way for the future. So, where does the Arjun stand today? Despite some initial challenges, it's now a crucial part of India's armoured divisions, with the army deploying the Arjun in desert operations in Rajasthan, one of the most challenging environments for any combat vehicle. The Arjun has proven its capabilities in multiple military exercises, standing toe-to-toe with foreign-built tanks like the Russian T-90. It's a proud symbol of India's growing defense capabilities, protecting its borders and ensuring the Army's combat superiority. With the Arjun Mk1 now entering service and further developments in the pipeline, India's battle tanks are set to get even stronger. What are your thoughts on the Arjun tank? Let us know in the comments below. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.